Hello everyone. I am Deboshmita Sarkar and today I am starting with the topic with the chapter 3 of NCT book Social and Political Life Part 2, how the state government works. And as I have promised that in the earlier video that I will give you the video on question answer of the NCERT question answer also. So this video is on the question and answer. So let's begin. Exercises. At first, the first question: use the terms constituency and represent to explain who is an MLA and how is the person elected. Answer: every state in India is divided into different areas or constituency. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who later becomes the member of the Legislative Assembly (MLA). These MLA also form the government. Hence, we can say that the MLAs represent people. These MLAs also do not belong to the same political parties. So, this is all about MLAs and how they get elected. Number 2. How did some MLAs become minister? Explain. Answer. After the election, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister. And then this chief minister will select other people as ministers. After the election, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and other ministers. This is how MLAs became ministers. Why should decisions taken by the chief minister and other ministers be debated in the legislative assembly? All the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. In common usage, the word government refers to government departments and various ministers who head them. The overall head is the chief minister. All the MLAs who all gathered in the legislative assembly are known as legislature. They are the ones who authorize and supervise their work. They all assemble in the legislative assembly to discuss with the other MLAs and chief ministers upon certain issues. Then the decisions which is taken is then debated in the legislative assembly, because if the decision is right, then how will the action be formed is then decided, and if the decision taken is wrong, then they all debate with each other to make another decision. What is the difference between the work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by government departments? Answer. The difference between the work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by government departments is that every department is headed by a minister who is also an MIA. The minister approves any work done or proposed by the government. The department is responsible for the projection and completion of the work, whereas MLAs or ministers coordinate between the assembly and the departments. What was the problem in Patalpura? What discussions or action was taken by the following? Fill in the table. I have already filled the table, so let's read it. And this table is very important. Public meeting. All the opposition demanded action which should be taken by the MLAs, but he didn't do that. So the people has heroes in the MLA's residence and claimed actions. Legislative Assembly. All the MLAs debate together in the Legislative Assembly about this issue. They all acclaimed actions that should be taken by the Chief Minister. Press conference. This is organized by the Health Minister. The Minister explained the steps that the government had taken. All the reporters asked many questions at this meeting. Chief Minister. The Chief Minister went to the families who all have lost their dear ones and also visited the family who all have their dear ones admitted to the hospital. He announced the compensation of the families. So with this we came to the end of the question answer module, and now we will know a small glossary of this chapter. Constituency: a particular area from which all the voters living there chose their representative. This could be, for example, a panchayat ward or an area that chooses an MLA. Majority: this is a situation when more than half the number in a group supports a decision or an idea. This is called a simple majority. Opposition: this refers to elected representatives who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of the questioning in government decisions and action, as well as raise new issues for consideration in the assembly. Press conference: a gathering of journalists from the media who are invited to hear about the asked question on a particular issue, and are then expected to report on this to the larger public. So with this we came to the last slide. So thank you.